Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today in this video we're going to be doing some Elsa fidget spinners. They're very cool. We're going to be doing a fidget cube. It's very well packaged, this fidget cube. It has all the things that you can do in here. So let's get straight into it. So this is a fidget cube. Has this. This is the base. I might keep it in here. These click. This moves all around. This you flick there and there. This you change. You change these gears. You roll this ball and you spin this. And this is just for your thumb. So then you can go like this. You can move it like that. You can like do that. You can do that. You can do that. This one doesn't have the clicker in it, which makes the click sound for some reason, but the others do. Actually, these two don't. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. I don't know. Bye bye everyone. Peace out.